Hi everyone, it's great to see you. It has been pouring here. We are in between thunderstorms rolling through and I need to do a quick unboxing. So I'm out here after work, dark, and this is coming in on the deck and I'm hoping it doesn't start to pour on me. So this is going to be a very quick video. I have this great box though here, so big shout out to Kathy and Bruce Fowler. These daylilies are coming from Kathy's Daylilies, and oh my goodness, I always love getting daylilies from them. So I have been ordering throughout the summer. This is my fall shipment. I do have a list of everything that I have ordered here, so I'll be putting pictures up, and I'm going to give you a brief description about why I ordered these in particular. And of course, you know, I've been reorganizing my daylily bed, making it bigger so that there is a place for these daylilies coming in, and I am so happy. Now, Kathy sent these off last Wednesday. It is Monday. Originally, they were supposed to be here on Friday, but they got delayed over the weekend, and we know this happens when plants are shipped. Nobody's fault. It just is the way it is. But we also know that daylilies are super hardy. So even if these look like they've been through a little bit of wear and tear for their journey here, I know that they are going to bounce back. That's another reason why I am unpacking in the middle of a rainstorm, because I want to get these in the ground. They have been in a box long enough. So here we have our first daylily. Oh, and I always love how big these are. This is Pink Mosaic. Let me find that on my list here. Pink Mosaic is going to get to be about 30 inches tall. Its flower is going to be about 5.5 inches, and it says it's a round, flat, marbled pink with a white to cream ruffled edge and a carved yellow to green throat. The sepals, the petals on this recurve and curve back. It is going to be beautiful, and it's so happy to be out in this moist weather here. It'll be even happier once it is in the ground, of course. So thank you, Kathy, for sending such great plants. Always such a nice way to end the day. Ooh, Living on Love. Living on Love is going to be a really, really big flower, so this is why I purchased it. It is going to be a 7.5 inch blossom. That is awesome. It says 30 inches tall. It's a rose pink to a light red with a soft yellow watermark ending in a green throat and a heavily ruffled yellow edge. And I was really going for the big flowers this time. My motto is really showy for this particular order. So very excited about Living on Love. Okay. There we go. Oh, look at the size of this one. Wow. Ruby Slippers of Oz. So there's actually a story behind why I ordered Ruby Slippers of Oz. And of course, you can guess that this is going to be a red, which is beautiful, 5.5 inch flower with a lighter watermark and a yellow throat. So about 2 years ago, myself and some colleagues wrote an article. As many of you know, I'm a professor for my real job, and it was entitled The Ruby Slippers of Oz, as we were going online for teaching. So this is to remind me of one of my first publications. Okay, here we have, let's see, It's a Whopper. So I told you I was going for the large flowers. This one is so large, it actually is called It's a Whopper. I love that name. So It's a Whopper, let me see here, is going to be about 25 inches tall and a 9-inch blossom. Oh my goodness, who could resist that? So it is going to be just a beautiful yellow to green flower. But boy, I got this one because I'm going for the big showy flowers. It's a Whopper is so cute. One of our kittens is starting to look like It's a Whopper. He's very cute. Okay, here we have Aim for Gorgeous. What a nice name that is. Let me find it. Oh, this was the very last one that I ordered before Kathy shipped these off. And this is going to be about 35 inches tall, a 7.25 inch bloom. So another really big bloom. And this particular flower is going to be a hot pink with a gold edge with green highlights and a green washed eye. So, oh, it was the pink color, the large blossom in pink that I couldn't help but order that one. These are looking really good considering it was so hot. You know these must have sat in a very hot truck over the weekend. Oh, I was worried about them. Hooked on Romance. Let me find this one here. Hooked on Romance is going to be 8 inches. Yes, another really big blossom. It is a large pink with cream undertones, and it has those petals that look like they're pinched sort of and curl a bit. I think it'll be really interesting. It has a large yellow and green throat and a light pink halo. So, you know, it's so interesting. They don't look like much now, but next year when I'm doing my garden tours, these are just going to be amazing. Okay, 2 more to go. It hasn't started to rain on me yet. This is very good. Here we are, and this is Big Fuss. So Big Fuss goes along with my large blossoms, another 7-inch flower for Big Fuss, a large salmon double. So, you know, I've gotten a couple doubles now that I just think have that unique form. I'm really excited about this with a yellow to orange throat. Big Fuss is going to be very happy in the garden that we just widened to make space for it. And here is our last Daylily, and this is a Rosy Affair. Let me find Rosy Affair here. Okay, Rosy Affair has rosy petals. Okay, kind of a giveaway. 6 1/4 inch for the flowers, gets to be about 28 inches tall, and it is going to have a yellow to green throat. So Rosy Affair is going to have a great place in the garden too. These just look so fabulous. Oh my goodness. I know I put them behind here and you can't see them all, but they are going to be fabulous additions to the garden, and the soil is nice and moist, so I might even just run out and put them in the ground now. So a big thank you to Kathy and Bruce Fowler. You always do a wonderful job, and you are much appreciated by all of us daylily lovers. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.